Hi, continuing with the simplification of rational expressions. Now I'm going to perform the indicated operation, which in this case, this operation is multiplying the fractions 4yz squared over 8xy squared times 2x squared z to the fourth over x squared z times 4x to the sixth y to the cubed z over 3y squared. In order to do this, then I can take the upper part and I will start grouping everything together. So let's see. So I can end up with 4 times 2 times 4 divided by 8 times 3. Now times, let's see, we have x squared times x to the sixth times y times y cubed times z squared times c to the fourth times z. Let's review. X squared, x to the sixth, y cubed, z squared, c to the fourth, z. Okay, and the bottom part, we have x times x squared, then we have y squared times y squared times z. So if we start matching numbers, we know that 4 times 2 is 8. So these three basically become 1. So now I can say that I have 4 over 3. Now I'm going to multiply it by, let's see, we have x squared, which cancels out with x squared, x to the sixth over x, that gives me x to the fifth power, then y plus y times y cubed, that's the same as y to the fourth, over y squared plus y squared, that's y to the fourth. So these four terms become 1. Now we have z squared times z to the fourth, that's z to the sixth power, times z, that would be z to the seventh power, over z. So we can say that these two terms become 1. So that would be z to the sixth power. So my equation will end up with x to the fifth times z to the sixth. And that would be my final answer. Continuing, now we're going to work on a little bit more complex equation. We have 10x over x squared minus 16 plus 3 over x minus 4 minus 5 over x plus 4. In this case, what we are going to do is, sorry about that, what we are going to do is first find the common denominator in fractions. So I know that my expression x squared minus 16, I can, by difference of squares, I can write it as x plus 4 times x minus 4. So that's equivalent. Okay? So with that in mind, then I can say the following. I can say that my common denominator would be x plus 4 times x minus 4. So when I take this and divide it with this first term, then that is 1, so I end up with 10x. Then 3 times x plus 4 times x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 is x plus 4. So then 3 times x plus 4. And then I need to subtract 5 times x plus 4 times x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 gives me x minus 4, so 5x minus 4. Simplifying that equation, I end up with 10x plus 3x plus 12 minus 5x plus 20 divided x plus 4 times x minus 4. This is the same as saying 13x minus 5x is 8x plus 12 plus 20 plus 32 divided by x plus 4 times x minus 4. If I extract the 8, that gives me 8 times x plus 4 over x plus 4 times x minus 4. I know that these terms can cancel out. Therefore, my answer would be x over x minus 4. And that's the answer to this problem.